Hello there. This is just a brief demo about MCP servers. As someone of you know, I am publishing my prompts on the GitHub in the Blueprint Prompts repository, and I get tired to open the repository, select the prompt, paste my cursor IDE. So I resolved to implement MCP server for myself to publish my own tools. It's very simple. It's on GitHub available for everybody. You can see inside the MCP server. You have all documentation about how to build extent, but it's just a simple script to read the repository structure and publish them as tools on the MCP. It's very simple. Okay, but to set up the MCP server on your machine, I I choose to deliver a Docker image on Docker Hub. So it's very simple. If you have Docker, you just have to execute this command line here. You can just go to the terminal and execute the Docker command. It will download the image and run it on the background for you. Okay, and on the on the cursor side, you just have to open the cursor settings, go to MCP. Here I have a stub. Let me edit it here, but it's just have to add the MCP server pointing for your local host. You can double check here with a Docker. Yes, it's already running in port, listening on port 9000. So here I am executing the pointing the MCP to this port. Okay, and I get it running. It's green. All my properties are published here as tools. You can come here and see some examples. So I use it to create pull requests, standardized pull request templates. And so if I come here and type create pull request for my recent refactoring change, it will list all commits on your actual branch and elaborate a pull request based on the template for you. Okay, but for this example, let's see, we will create a basic Python using DDD. Okay, so I will ask to the prompt create a new Python DDD project structure for my application, and it will invoke this tool and create using my template. So here I will create a new project or MCP test. Okay, and as you can see, it's fresh new. Please create a DDD Python project structure. It will check the tools and found my tool and is asking to run the tool. I will run the tool. If you open, it will show for you what is this one. Come all prompt here, and it's working, and we'll start to understand and make the magic happen. Okay, started. It will understand what we have and start to execute the prompt as we ask it. The prompt is very simple. Create a Python project with structure, with all infrastructure, application. Uh, Indeed, create documentation for you to start, not start without any reference. And still working. This indeed create for you a GitHub action to build and test your code. It's asked to create the missing file structures. creating all needed Python stuff to make the DDD works. And now start to create the stub files for you. It's a simple calculator in the hello world using DDD. As you can see, all files are coming here in models. Tests. It is using Flask to expose the controller as an HTTP endpoint. It's creating a good test coverage so you know how to start, especially if you are not familiar with Python projects. The prompt is long, so it's asking to continue the conversation. Okay, it's normal. And when finished, it gets all information about how to get it working, and then can start work in a fresh, new structured Python DDD project. Okay, thank you, and wait for more. Bye-bye.